Welcome to a Diversitas tutorial. My name is Brantley Riada. I'm Bank Manager of our bank Diversitas. Today we are answering the question, how do I fill in an application form? So the first part of filling out an application form is the personal details of a student. So you fill in your title, Mr, Mrs or other, your first name and your surname, and then your date of birth. You also have to do your middle initial, which for me is L because my middle name is Leodon. And then you have to say if you're junior or senior, and if you're neither, then you just can leave it blank. Then you put in your gender, male or female, your PPS number, which you might have to get from your house at home, and then your place of birth, your country of birth, your county/city of birth, is the hospital you were born in or the county you were born in, so I was born in Dublin. And then your parent or guardian full name, and then daily banking. This is what you're going to use your account for, so I'd use mine for daily banking, or other. Source of funding for the account, so you could say pocket money, grandparents, birthdays, etc. Estimated annual turnover of the account, that's how much you think you will have in your account for a year. Are you a US citizen? And are you a US tax resident? And if you answered yes to either of the US questions, you to provide your US tax identification number. This section is address details. Your home address, so address line 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., county and country. And then your contact details, so your home phone number, your mobile phone number, and an email address that you have. You could even use your school email address if you like, or a personal one. The school details, primary school or secondary school, more than likely secondary school if you're doing it with our bank Diversitas. School name, Nunchaklin Community College. Class, transition year Yates, or 3A1, 2A1, etc. Year of finishing school / year of leaving certificate. For me, that'll be 2018. The next section is product information, which only need to complete if you're aged 12 to 15 years. And you just have to get your parents to sign it to show that you've consent. Product information for if you're 16 years old, if you want AIB to send you mail, yes or no. Phone you, yes or no. And email you, yes or no. This is student account application for AIB debit card. The customer signs it and their parents if they're under 16 once you've read this and you agree to the terms within. This is the application and declaration section. The customer has to sign here, put their name in block capitals and the date. If they're under 16, their parents have to sign here, put their name in block capitals and the date. By signing this, you agree to the terms and conditions for current, demand deposit, master plan accounts and the AIB student account terms and conditions. This final section is for the bank to fill in regarding your account. To fully open an account, you must bring in a copy of your passport or birth certificate. You can drop it in to a member of our Diversitas team on Tuesdays in room 16 at lunchtime. Thanks for watching our Diversitas tutorial on how to fill in an application form.